Hello, lovely people of Ghana. It's your girl, Mandy K, and I'm here today at Accra Post Office. As usual, we are here to take the opinions and reactions from our citizens in Ghana. On the topic, is Zoomlion doing their work well, and what are we Ghanaians doing to help them? Let's take some opinions and reactions from people. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Pacha, your friend Mandy K now.
I'm somebody a jay aquatic.
Down Pacha, person say Zoomlion for more year major one year and some more major.
Oh, my wife, and the credits and can of credit. You man on me and the Sonny, when them could be almost a ball or hop. The Kumus of Bone, Sabi, a man for Pra, a good baby, a seca, over the car, a Bessisa, and as a prayer with Mukrana, near Seca. A friend say, try to be the children, and I said, trucks with the chili, and I feel better with the chance. It's only go on in Suto and I say, it is almost humanity and Sonny.
I said that they almost say, Krumbads. They be every day, they are not Krumae. Few. Ball, by me, the but almost some way, Zoomlion is mobile. If you say, any idea.
Okay, you person in Bissau. That's been since Sisiku. It's all sharp government has some way to be found one.
Say government here to be found because so be hard to say it on idea, and then be say betting your far but they are saying, say, depending on who you are, yeah, share with one say, or say, to say, this year, baby, will be to idea, I'll top your town on you, but me that shit, but me, the busy, I just say, oh, Momo, idea, like. Stores, and you say we are I don't a store you buy. Say I say government, the Ankasa, you say we do all.
Bringing the dustbin wouldn't solve the problems. The only thing that we can do is to change our attitude. Because if you change your attitude, or if you change our attitude, then there are no dustbins around, and we don't later. I think we'll get our problem solved. But this is the case. There are a lot of dustbins at certain areas, but yet still we don't put our trash in them. We just leave them on the compound or on the ground, on the floor. And it doesn't solve the problem at all. So I think increasing the number wouldn't solve any problem. So that's what I think.
Oh, okay, so you are saying that it's not necessary for them to provide dustbins. I still don't understand because
it wouldn't solve the problems. My sister, let's go around. Just move some distance away from where you see a dustbin. You realize that we have letters there. So it means that we have to change our attitude. If we change our attitude towards our sanitation, we are going to get these problems solved. And then it will make the work of the Zoomlion very easy. They clean, we still litter. They clean, we litter. So it's about time we change our attitude. When we increase the number of dustbins, I would wish the government put in a lot of effort in educating us on how we would get the environment clean. Personal hygiene and that stuff should be considered first. And then we change our attitude. That is all.
What I'm seeing is, we don't have EMA and this thing. I don't think they are doing their job as they should do.
So please, do you think the government should put pressure on AMA to do their work very well?
Yeah, it shouldn't be only Zoomlion. The work is too big for Zoomlion. You see, it shouldn't be Zoomlion. The AMA should back up.
Hello, please. My name is Mandy K. What about you?
I'm also Michael Fojo.
Okay. Should we go with the Chi or English?
I want to speak Chi.
Okay. Intime Pacho. If you're in person in Bissau, say Zoomlion for Muye Jumana, and that's all more Yeshe.
Oh, okay, Zoomlion Jumana or Moyano. As I said, they're all bomb wedding. Umkusu Accra, and send you in every year. Was first now Ebola and Eukuma. Say the M say a sort. Nemum, and you bring here say, Yan Casana, Yabolano. If you know, you know, I was tossed when you. Well, you say somebody will be a can and beat me up picking. One phone will be a can and beat me up picking. Some of you beat me at San Intensive. If you are nation took room, baby. I just almost have a for fat as I know what we and I feel one more woman and a boboyano. Almost to me, you are not overlooked. No more baby, no more job. But in all the Zoomlion knew more or more proper on a class there for now. Because of English, oh my God.
Pacho, in so part, say, Ye Ghana phone pan na ye fin wo. Enti yemboa Zoomlion phone.
Ye Ghana phone ankasa ye ni ye fin ankasa. Nanka ye fin ni yetimi aboa no ba bi Zoomlion phone betimi asesa ne ntem a. Nanka beboa ye. Enti se ye fin a ye mo wode ase beba kwan ho ba bi a Zoomlion car no ba bi e peke ayi no bola no ne betimi asesa ne ntem so. Na prince wo man ankasa Zoomlion so ba bi a containers ni sisi no. Omo wode ase be peke ne tentem. Bi o ha na e wo so bi o agana bi a containers here bi edi bola gum aya omo mfa ne ntem. Omo mfa ne ntem a we so beboa.
Because God and him I ba. God and I ma obi di ana omo so mo no mo di kum. Na me go wo mi. Wa ni God ta finish abaji God ta won to ga na abaji God ta ko diga nyamo ne ko ni nuwe ni fa ya. Chika abaji me ka mo go ye ni ba ga ni ngo. God ta mi fe yi o mo bi anteno no ga ngbele God ta ko me na nton wa yi kura. No wodo mo shi ne wo ga cho fe ti chin na wodo mo shi. Ta gbele no ko na wa di fe. O won so ko ni Mandy ni hon pia wata ke ni bi e fina me yin lo ba gi ya me ko ni ka ji mo ko mi eku e le ka fe mi le ka wo mi ko ni ka mo ko nu ko ke ko ga yin lo ba ga wo mi ga ma mi ka shi fine Ghana ga wa ga na fe o ma mi che ska fe na ga da ji be bola na ga jo ma mi aba ga wo che
so mai no e be ko so a se bi e broche na mo ho no obi ayi obi na ko bo o mo amoto na na bo am obi ni nsuo mfa nko bonten nti se yenso e be so mai no ko so dia se dia brofo no ye na mukuro no akoso no yenso yenya saa ye no nsuo na ye hwe se that's been swear we bi besi ana that's been you na bag mekuta o botom o bobo rubber na udu fi a wo dia tum ana de mesere nse mate fo no so no se mate ni park pan ho a instead of say ball no o pro be chechiri no odu that's been no de akotum no pra no de gu abontin tini nyina kan no man nko so boni inale enye ya gashi sare no bi mi fe na apa ake obi mi ne kesani ehia kesani ake dasbi abama mo shi ye bi ene eja gashi mo fe mo ni wo ni ina Zoomlion ko ni ebo mo fe mo ni wo ka ope ke ye ni e ke chefu shikaji dasbi ba ma bi ene alo gani ba ma bi ene enye ya gashi ke o mo ye ni e ka me ho e amepa wo mi
Inti mpacho edena wo ka che Ghana for mo observe sade no mo the rubbish to be dia
yo sande bi mi e fine bi ani mi to no wo Ghana bi anya alo wo aka greta Accra ni bi anya akashi boni ameke joy shuoshi ye gbegegba he e hani bi na ache alo akasiti ne ache wo ma pa man bi afai koni amebe mode ni wo fe wo ye no ke han ne ke hela ne e ba ne wo ye no ni ko o mo ye je ko o na das bi pe ke ba wo mi ye o kota go hiye alo ka wo ba ni ko sho shian ke ko ki awo bi ye je ne koni wo he ache ye wo papa ne no si bo ni wo papa ne no yo e defo kura wo mi pa wo kucho ni bi afai koni wo fe wo ye no ni wo fe no ni efe fine ke efe fine na ka no ka mo ko na keke alo government on ba na ji wo yi je wo ba tashi ni da ni be government le efe le ke si wo wa yi koni government mu e ka na obi tumo ni papa ni echu.
That is basically a matter of culture. If you are such a person who find it, I mean, sad to see someone drop water by the road. Even when you see rubber that you didn't drop it, you'll be tempted to pick it and put it in your bag. So it's a matter of culture. A lot of people are in culture that in their own room, their own house, they litter about all the time. They throw things around anyhow they want. So they are in town and they are throwing things about. They don't really care. But then if you are such a person that even in your house, you don't just drop things anywhere, you won't do that when you are outside. And I'm the kind who doesn't just leave things anywhere because I want places to be clean. That is why I have to always be clean myself. Usually people who are dirty, they themselves, they are dirty. You can see their whole body is dirty. People who are neat,
mostly, there are some exceptions, but mostly, you notice it by their appearance.
Good afternoon, my friend Mandy now say.
Miss your friend Janet Amabu.
Mama Jane, but I'm the same without say one more ten Zoomlion for a young mobile on Wejuma.
A Jumane de Omoya pa. Zoomlion for a Juman Omoye.
I didn't think I was on me because in Coffee Baby complaining to Mumbai on Wejumano.
Omoya on my Juma. She says a CSA Mitia. And a pay Zoomlion for a Jumako. As I say, ya prapra, near this share at the Amunia Chichi. South Yasia. Only Padia, I would say, why? Baby, I would say, no by Yawoni. Who better trade at the Polano or the nowadays? Would yes, when I guess I watch a chill and what go to a Gulolo Quan in Chang and now plan what Pregulolo Quan in Chang. Ebasa, that be a crumble in the fin, 2 baby, who better chin out the ato, Zoomlion for you, every the cannabis, and no baby on the cannabis. And no baby omoba, no more best sabola. Young man, ye feet, Zoomlion for the Omonia, and no baby on your major, son of papa, so who are now, browse Zoomlion for the bra. One more young cannot be your matter. A house Zoomlion, no baby omopera, almost a sap, Rano Cotu. Now, so more better than one mobile power mobile. Obey me the bullet 52 to the module of one which I was. Or the finifio, and yes, I found more how. One would be a set it in Omujay, no more parabola, and you may an or pa, the Bola and Banaba Sapo. Yes, and you may be a man. So, almost to me parabola if you won't fear. One would do one, no more Jawato. That's one would out to a beer to get a ball of the market in the inside out of bar. No, watch it. No, what water, young I take my wing. Yes, see, and the end, Papa, Papa, or bit me the ball of the inside. Do I know what you are to meet to cheat so. The Jones on an Indian white year were inside one I am a Pataria, they said, all this will do me lie on bar, not the Amano, not the other to kill you. Nankasa Pupala, not the best Yakaya Bola for. Or the Yakaya Bola for inside, you would do that. One, no matter what was shall not be answered. Now what you ask for.
Those Zoomlion, a man or Accra area, 102, you'll be on the part. No, your Zoomlion for parting, and another different companies parting. To be a Najma or Yanoha. And a man or Moyano, baby, or her mistake room. To the sense, Zoomlion parting who are a dear chain. Be a bear 11, 10, 9, Nabola a day. Everyone, ma, Munyanya day, Munyan 5 floor. Oko party, we don't see the announced. I company now on Moshe. A salutation man, Arsenal, the company on Moplano, almost the answer, sir. A brand who had yet to see a coin planner, Bola, Guma, Munyanya day, a Munyan Factory. Yes, when I could not tell my secretary and my attorney, the secretary, my ball and your day, and the guardian had looked for no multiple for Paul Fever be the better ever to her. This I'm learning to your point, my play, Yammer and your day, and Kofi. Sebeka, dear my Bolano, and your day, Emiku, the wood you so hanum. Zoomlion for a strum time on the plan now with the Sabola. No, yet be a hanum, every day be a hanum compensate. A day etching. A Zoomlion for no other a partner or Mokitan Kamono, or Mojimano, and Shetan Sony ye.
Zoomlion for the Muye Juma pa, the Adeba Kong said. For no muji ballers fifi no on the mazuma for ni bread. We have a jibola na no the ebe go kwan ho because that anazulam kan in by. Tislam for the SMS munyo mojuma de na memboa. No muye juma ni pa. By the ba ku say saka ho ne robbers. Because first no yema min mutam no munyo so rubber black because ne pipa. Uto de ko kofia no ahyewa de na adane nsuro bi no ato agu say rubber no. We go to few crano, but why jet on him from us to the coachings are any master problem. No, of course, organ see if you are because we went to money party or Mujuan by Roberts now a penny for no water. We are going to a big company on your company, be a baby food to be a robber. And yes, and I'm one Mujuan or Mubre, and Tibeka, you bet me as about much you must accommodate them. I go for robber, and it's a habana back there, about why a fee crew.
Now, when him say, want to mean so a more bag and fun to paper.
Say move back there so we no man ye share rubber first who ko to ade a ye o mu ye no ye titi haban mu ti mo ye to haban ma fine mo aka package am no mo share rubber ba kuma mo be say who ko to mu no ya ti agu rubber white mu asa da share rubber black ba kum asa na dey share the friends Obama rubber no ba ku no asa dey aka ho bio what I say to nko ko fi no kura rubber ti say 3 ba dey e say mienu pe who kura 3 and yes anoma o man no Because young guys say ye na ye shishe gu ono ene ma efi na ba man no sa na ebeka no.
Uncle Mohammed, I want to ask you, is Zoomlion doing their work very well in your area?
Oh, to be frank, Zoomlion people, they are not working enough for us. If you start from the traffic lights up to the down there, there's no dustbin for them. We want to appeal the Zoomlions to bring more dustbins for us. We don't have dustbins even to put the ball for them. But they should bring more dustbin for the town there, for them. Then it will help all of us to keep Ghana clean.
But you know, Zoomlion is a private company. They can't do the work themselves. So you as an individual, what are you doing to support them?
We will support ourselves to clean Ghana clean. Unless we encourage the people of Ghana. Everybody, if you do your rubbish, try and put it inside for the dustbin. It can help us to make the town clean. Not to throw the rubbish away. Please, we are imploring the general public, everybody to put involved inside in the dustbin, not to throw it. They should help the government to do the right thing.
Oh, me pacho Zoomlion for day. We are going to pa ye. We go fresh no comment sa. You see woman will play the wechi and I can't shoot the wechi. And see you won't say see a grown woman and you need to catch it first.
In Pacho, who should be potty ya? That's been seen when who share government so much no more for that's been seen to her.
I don't know what's up, one more yapa. You see, that's better what the ball and the woman. It's what you know by about could be see I won't be. It's a sad to see us now on power, mama, and also one for that's been one for giant.
Okay, Pacho, last question I'm presenting. What's it so the year for Punam say, Omunum Pure Tamubena, Omuna Tifano Mudi, daughter Abania to for me, more catch on myself.
Pepper to make a chopa, or be double by a catcher one say. So I don't know what I want metro.
You had my Yamuchin Kofana.
Pepper, you are one with you. China, one way, one won't pay for one metro.
Na wu bro na ye shisha o de sing anu so a e ya wo ye huni bia o de to yin
me bocho ene de sisi afresh no ana ye ni won a wo bo side ma Zoomlion fo no wo ma sisa sisi a ya mi adom won ma won ye na ntwi empleko ye wie ya na wo mo sisa na wo mo de ko ti wo so enya oba e ta be ka kra ye bola no kra ye be ti wo sika asani ye de abo ya hu na wo mo nya mfa so we hu
I had a private work, but from Rollins Park to Mokolani, government one. I know you aim for the
private one now, such as a maintenance.
What a private one, I say. What this one you say, you might wear much a movie. And no be at I know you're private. Or not you tell ballets can 50 pesos. And now, I am for no more once. By young yes, our ballers, take it to once. Okay,
private for no more young money.
Media or menu so the Ababa and the Bola Ebe Yabua. Yababano, no master. The Ababa die almost as a car, I say.
Okay, but Mr. One said, so the uncle for pure water rabbits or moon pure water rabbits, Mr. Yamana, no moon, no rat to actually your own woman or catch on some fun. Oh, you catch on some for a bimu ye. By when you're meaning himself, and up by no. On only the end of yeah, sad dustbin need to see her. And so young party painting will be more bubuno. Yankasa so hey, oh my rubber. Rubber, yeah, the dustbin be see and see you all withdraw now. What you run it there too. A room Reeby crano, you choose all the rat to her, your final work course.
This one goes to the big people. They have to, force the law. If you see somebody doing that, you can arrest that person. Show it like TV, everybody will see it. So nobody will do that mistake again. But they allow people to be doing whatever they want. You understand? Which is very wrong. Ghana here, we like force. We don't like soft. We like force. You understand? If we do it force, people, change.
So you are saying we should use force on them, like we should put pressure on them so that they can stop littering about?
Yes, that is my worry. They should use force. When they use force, everything will be okay.
So which kind of force are you talking about? They finding them, or they taking them to prison, or putting their pictures on the internet or TV saying that they've littered about, or what?
No prison or no anything. My worry is that if they catch somebody like, they should give that person like wheelbarrow or shovel to sweep like 2 hours, 3 hours. You understand? If you do me like this tomorrow, I will do.
No.
That's it. Don't take it to prison. Don't take it. Give him shovel. Give him something to sweep from here like running spark. So they'll show it on TV. You see them. You see people sweeping. They ask, why are these people? They say, oh, they do this. They do this. So they'll not do this. Me, I'll not do. Somebody will not do. Don't put them inside. Don't charge them anything. They should sweep so that the city will be clean more.
When we look into our country, we don't have a lot of dustbins at vantage points in the country. Do you think it's very necessary for the government to provide this dustbin so that we Ghanaians can have a place to throw our rubbish?
100% putting the dustbin, all the corners. Every corner you have to put the dustbin so that they can put the dustbin inside. A car can go round and be picking it small. Here out to circle so that the city will be clean. But if you don't do that and put like here, like 1 mile, it will not work. It will never work. So they should put the dustbin around all the city so that there will be a car going around and be picking it.
My name is Winner.
Winner? Oh, such a nice name. Okay, I want to ask you, where you are and where you stay, does Zoomlion come around to do their work?
Yeah. They come around, they sweep. In the morning you see them. Those parking the ballers at the junction, you see them. So every morning like that, they work all the time. Yeah, I really appreciate them.
Oh, they also thank you. I want to ask you, you see, when you look at some places in the country, their dustbins are not located over there. So do you think it's very necessary for the government to provide dustbins so that people will stop littering about?
Yeah. It's very necessary for the government to provide them because sometimes you see some people, maybe based on their walking, maybe they just drank some sachet water. They are walking, where to throw the refuse. You see them, they'll just drop it on the ground. Then now one person will do second, third, before you know it, the refuse is plenty over. And when it's the next day too, it's another work for the Zoomlion to come and start sweeping again. So it's very necessary for them to provide the small dustbin, like small bucket like this where they will just dump their refuse and continue their journey.
Zoomlion for no, ano papa o me prapla no moko. Ana hanso no that's bia any om be si o che say em room mu an si di ya na to that's been e dey gum. Anta kwa e kwa so no san efa bolaka. Anta na bola na san mo be fa bola na fi. So this on dey be na o bottom si o. Zoomlion for Juma, so na pay button ya gbabo no dey go. Zoomlion for the omunyo majuma yi. Ne ko omunyo majuma yi. Ana ofa kro mu so a, oto ade a, oto dwan na wudi a ro bam na wudi kra. Aje ukita na wudi obi ato. That mean dey see. Asa na won kasa dey atu. Aban to bi say Zoomlion for mu for bi si abon tene say, e fa roba ye na entum. Zoomlion for the omunyo majuma yi. Ne kro ana waka omunyo majuma yi.
For baby so ka say ye Ghana for na ma adwuma ne ye de ma Zoomlion for no.
Oh, Ghana for video mo Canada and the media to me need no kore. E say Zoomlion for no so mo dey that's me babon ti dia. En so be bom adwuma na ye den. Enye di ma wo mo say, "The man who that's me see, I mean the team fan to form. Never to that's me." Oba no be for that's me no the call. But that's me you are. Me so me nyama e bia no ato no me bi kita me ti kita ball and come me o ma wo. Me ja to form. And I think that's been there. I say, my phone for that's been lay up on things. Said they went to it, and you could have been. That's when I am Ramaw.
Say, and Coffee baby, or Munama, no Mato, Piota, Rabbit, and Sana Manamana, who more catch on say or Munfa.
Madam, who be a catch on some fun to me, if you want to. If you want to, I mean, can't show some if say, that means you are far, or big it as a copy of the coffee. Said that means you see baby or the two. I do a do a stone, one son was trans, and that's I am to make it so.
turn up the two for me, I mean, remove, if I catch on far. If once I mean, catch on far, no pop. Zoomlion, no.
Like for there. Like, Juma by sometimes, so you have some challenges and some problems, like, if it's while, Juma and Tiasi.
I don't know, Casa, wait me at church much.
Oh, if you say, oh, once a Zoom like in him say, I'm not making sure my crew made ain't it. Oh, indeed. Sometimes you will be say like, almost take it, am I? Which is 50 pesos, will be out to 50 pesos. By Ubitma, about sorry about I don't know, Papa, okay, baby, she gonna gata a watch this year. Rebana, a more choke, a film quan. Interna and Tassie, who say, yes, I scanner or mojino. You need me or modi, pastor na a finade, and I saw around us all to any fair as your granny feared.
Sikaben pote pana also or mojiji, why when I am mojiji sicano.
Oh, you will be say AME. Oh, once a Accra Metropolitan Assembly.
I want to ask you where you are right now. Does Zoomlion come to do their work?
Yeah, they come always.
They come. Do you see them?
Yeah, I see them, both male and female.
And so what do you have to say about their work?
They are really doing a nice job. You know, they come always, so that's good.
But people are complaining that they don't come and do their work, and we Ghanaians are making the work difficult for them. What do you say about that?
Actually, I don't know about other areas, but where I am, they do come always. Every morning they come.
Good afternoon, Pacha from Mandy now say.
Pacha from Dennis.
Okay, brother Dennis, Pacha person me bisa say. Baby I would say ya Zoomlion for no mu ye omo ejuma ya.
Oh, Zoomlion for ndie, ejuma ndo omo ejuma ndie omo ye ni ye. Me ade a me nim ye ana me ntumi ya no obi ya me mbu na be mana me nka se onim ye. Ejuma ndo omo ye but yen ntimamfo no na ne yen boa omo.
Me na okase.
Obi be seda, obi hu das me wo pa ana se obe num ade ana se la odi waste be send bag go if you are dropping no and also don't say that means so pa na so enya ade odi betu form because when him say Zoomlion for management o ma be fa which is not fair.
Say me bisa say yeah who obi say but the rubbish to form and say filter rubber to form and that's me wo ho but who said that me on so on plan tuma e then na o catch.
Oh me catch any pan say on fan form but sometimes obi ho be kan adwan akere on fa.
On find also be jam.
Unze obi hon ma wa shada like opese onu nya allegation. Ntino oka na oka na afi wenya na say tokwa aba. Ntiminu me kan de ye kire won wanya ye nyina yo.
That's the man bisa won say wo share vantage point say wo Accra. Baby poti e wa Accra. Any Ghana honey. That's means neighbor. Into sure is it very necessary say government to provide that means for on one.
Oh, to me Yesuban, your attitude no say yes, because if almost 1,000 that means back Ghana, next still I and say Yesuban, a problem then solve it to remain the same.
So also no piota, what the two that mean so the two bag.
Oh, serious, even because see I me ban me to open every crowd. But to next bag is up and meet me actually.
Oh dear, yeah, me show pint, you dear. But that's only me a vegetarian come away, I may shout, but they'll call in them. So, lovely people of Ghana, there's been a lot of complaints that we Ghanaians are not keeping ourselves neat. Please, wherever you are in Ghana, I beg you, make sure you keep yourself neat because a lot of malaria and cholera is roaming about in the country. And if you don't keep yourself neat, it will affect we the young ones and the old ones. So please keep yourself neat. Trending news, Ejoleme.